Hey designers, today we're diving into numbering in After Effects. Let's kick things off by grabbing the text tool and typing in a number. I'll start with 0. Now, with the layer selected, head over to Effects and Presets and search for Slider Control. Double-click to apply it. Next, navigate to the properties of the text layer. Go to Text Properties, and click on the stopwatch next to Source Text while holding down the Alt key. Now, let's link it to the slider control. Now, let's animate it. Click on the stopwatch next to Slider, move a few frames forward, and increase the value. I want it to count up to 30, so I'll set it accordingly. Now, let's preview it. The counting has started, but it's displaying in decibels, which we don't want. To fix this, let's tweak the expression. Math.round at the beginning and wrap the expression in parentheses. Play it again, and you'll see it counting smoothly. If you found this helpful, show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to Ace Designs for more tutorials like this.